In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your region in your Riot Games account or in your Riot account. First step is to head inside their website and then make sure that you have already logged in your account. Next is to click this display name and then head to settings. This will redirect you into your Riot account management. And just navigate or scroll down a little until you see this part, where it indicates your country or region that your account belongs to. Well, when you click this, you can't even modify it or change anything here. So we need to scroll a little until we see the support button here, which is this. So just click this and then click the transfer region. Once you click the transfer region, it will be explaining to you how you can transfer your account. But this article is not really helpful, so we just need to submit a ticket. Then here we need to select the request or type of the ticket. So I'm gonna select account management. And then we just need to sign in again into our account. So just sign in again and then type in the details that you need for this request, which is basically the change of your country or the region of your Riot account. And just click the submit button here. So basically that's it. That's how you can change your region or country in Riot. And thank you for listening.